Well, otra vez estamos acá. Este es el Cybertruck. Ya todos lo conocen. This is the Cybertruck. Everybody knows it. But one more thing. Now they're going to let us open and see inside the truck. Look at this. Look at this. This is a nice one. This one is inside the truck. Very spacious. This from the inside of the truck. Got the features over here, if you can see them and everything. Very nice. This is the steering wheel right here. It's a very nice truck. It has a lot of space. The one on top, inside the back. I'll open the other side. And this one you have to press right here, and the truck will open. Look at this. Very spacious truck. Oh man, this is nice. This from inside the truck. Este de adentro, y you can actually play Netflix, YouTube, Hulu, and other stuff to watch when you're driving on the road. And actually this is the back, and I think that one in the back is actually the space in the back, the trunk, you can say that. And this is what it is, the Cybertruck from inside. Nice, very nice. I will find out exactly when they're gonna be doing a demo drive on these trucks and put it on the comments of this video. But this is the Cybertruck from inside. Okay, it's a nice truck. Very expensive, I think, and that's how it is. Thank you very much. You guys have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Take care. One thing that I saw on the Cybertruck, that's a huge wiper, windshield wiper, and that's the only one that it has. There's no more on this truck. There's only one huge wiper. You can see it right there. That's huge, and we're going to see the trunk. At this moment, they're not gonna have any test drives on this truck. It's not gonna be pretty soon, later on. They have this right here. So
I don't know if you're pushing for it.
that's how you open it from the back. Nice, huh?
Like double press and then stop halfway to go.
See how the little demo I'm doing right there? They open the front, the back, and everything else. Nice. Well, that's all. You guys have a nice day, nice weekend. Take care. Bye.